Are you tired of struggling to find a reliable hair vendor? Look no further. Welcome to AZ Hair Company, the ultimate destination for luxury hair extensions. Let's figure out our company with 16-year experience in hair production.
Step inside our hair factory. Curious to know where luxurious hair extensions are created? Our hair factory is where dreams are turned into reality. Immerse yourself in a journey where skilled laborers work tirelessly to craft the most exquisite hair extensions just for you. Say goodbye to hair hassles. We are here to put an end to your hair woes once and for all with our top quality Vietnamese hair extensions. From marvelous hair bundles to colorful hair extensions with premium hair quality, we've got it all. Raving reviews and happy customers. The positive feedbacks from satisfied clients truly reflect the quality and excellence of our hair extensions. They vouch for the quality, longevity, and natural appeal that our extensions offers.
Buy with it, the more you invest, the more you get. Not only you get the best wholesale price, but also you get the best service from it. Many free gifts, get the big discount up to 3%, fast delivery, and with customize your order, OEM and ODM service. So all are available and waiting for you. Visit our website or DM us to get more information about human hair extension.